Let's synchronize.
Hello guys, welcome to a Moto Lifestyle. It's another vlog. It's evening guys. It's around 6:30 in the evening, but I just wanted to give you a little quick update about our stove. As you know, we are constructing outdoor stove and it's in progress, and I promise you guys I'm gonna keep giving you updates what is going on with our stove. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, my name is Moto Lifestyle. I live here in the US and I bring you content about lifestyle here in the US. If in case you want to come here, you just want to see what we do here, so that when you come here you don't feel like you don't belong. Okay, so this is the channel to be. So today I'm going to show you how the stove is doing. Actually, before I do that, my pears are doing so well so far, and the garden is doing so well so far. So it's like I have to give you an update of everything before I give you an update. So let's go and give an update of this. So guys, as you can see, oh my goodness, we put the top. You see, this is the bottom, this is the top, and these things were constructed separately. So today, not today, the other day evening, we had to put the top on top of this. Guys, if you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you go back and watch the other video so you understand exactly what I'm talking about. We are constructing an outdoor stove, an outdoor stove outside my backyard. The reason being, it's because I am from Africa, the village, and I love cooking outside. I have everything that you need to touch things, electric and everything, but I just feel like sometimes I need to cook outside. I need the village smoke, and that's why I'm doing all this. So we're constructing this outdoor stove. So far we put the top up here. Guys, comment below, what do you think? It's in the progress, it's not done yet because we need to get another cement. We need to cement on the side. We need to make it look beautiful, but this is where it is right now. Let me see. This is how it looks like from the side, and this is how it looks like from the back right there. So we need to kind of bring more stones and cement so that we can seal it. So yesterday evening I was trying to kind of put some fire to see how it works. Actually, it was working so well, so I was kind of putting some firewood in there and trying to to kind of start fire. Oh my goodness, as you can see, it has two entry where we're going to put firewood, but inside over here guys, it's open. Inside over there, it's open all the way to the other one. That means we did that because I just want to be doing multiple, you know. I'm gonna be doing like multitasking, like when I'm cooking something here, something else is cooking right there, but we're using the same firewood. So guys, as you can tell actually how it's going to be. This is purely my hubby, who loves to work with his hands. He loves to construct things. He loves to come up with ideas, and this is his idea, and I believe it's a good idea. And in the end guys, when we are all going to finish this thing, is going to look so perfect. So far I'm loving it, and this is the update I wanted to give you guys. Let me know what you think. Is it looking like a stove outdoor? These are the handles. I was asking me what is this. He said these are the handles, and there's another handle here, and over here is going to construct something where the pot actually comes and lays in here. So it's not done, it's in the progress. And you know guys, we're busy, we're working, so whenever we get time, that's when we go with the project. At the same time, this thing we got to spray water there. We had to pour water for the cement to dry. We had to leave it to sit still. It's still drying guys. We're still putting water. Thank God it's a lot of rain, as you can tell. Lots of rain here. Lots and lots of rain. So that's what's happening with the stove guys. Make sure you stay here, you share in case you want to construct an outdoor stove. You want to follow this whatever my happy is doing here. I'm just giving you an update, and I tell you guys, whenever you come to America or US, there are plenty of things that you can do. You're happy. If you used to be a construction worker, you can come here and continue with your hobby. So even though you're working other jobs, you can just still use your skills by working in your backyard, or you can do something that you love. So far this is how the stove is looking like. Umoto lifestyle. Guys, comment below, how are we doing? What do you think about this stove? And actually we wanted to construct this stove using the bricks, but we found out that I wanted this thing to be natural. I wanted to be authentic. I wanted to be like a village. So we had this kind of stones sitting somewhere. So we were like, why don't we go ahead and use these stones? So we went ahead and actually used these stones. They were in a front yard, so we said we can use these stones just to kind of make it look like natural. So my hubby is gonna bring more cement. It's gonna make it look pretty. And then we are going to cook it. Guys, I have plenty of firewood. Guys, if you did not watch a video of me collecting free firewood, guys, make sure you go and watch that video so that you know where we're getting free firewood from. It was a good video. People liked it, commented it. I loved it, guys. Make sure you go there and watch that video and support the video. And guys, make sure you share the videos, be part of the family. Let me show you. So this is how the stuff is looking like. And over here, guys, I have this mint. This mint is healthy. Yes, healthy benefits, guys. If you know the healthy benefits, go Google this mint and you see the benefits, and it's doing so well. I never knew mint can do well here, but actually it is doing so well. And I'm telling you guys, after I come from work, I'm making my tea, I'm making my any kind of tea, I'm dropping this mint inside. Oh my gosh, it's a ball. And the kales, guys, the good thing is like there's plenty of rain here. It's just like everything is doing so well in my garden. So this is just a bonus showing you what's going on with this. These are beans, guys. They're doing so well. You know, we used to eat bean leaves. So one of these days, I'm going to get these leaves and I'm going to cook them. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you eat bean leaves, because I feel like they're getting plenty and I need to harvest and cook them and use my tomato and everything so that we can eat them. Okay, and the pears so far are doing so well. The leaves are drying a little bit. I don't know what's going on, but so far I'm feeling like they're doing so well. These are the pears that I have in my backyard. So in America, the lifestyle is like you can have pears in your backyard if you want to, or you can have any kind of trees if you want to. But for me, I prefer to have a tree that I can eat, actually, which is a fruit. I tell you guys, if I can plant any fruit, I can, you know. But this is the fruit that works here in the US. So far it's coming up. We have two of them, another one is here. So far this is the season. Actually by July, I think August, July, late July or August, we should be eating these things, guys. We should be making smoothie, enjoying, eating, and doing everything here, guys. This is going to be 7 already, but you can tell the breeze is amazing. The swing so far is doing well. This swing, actually, my hubby constructed it. I told you my hubby loves to construct things. He loves to use his hands to kind of his skills. He loves to construct. So he constructed this, and actually it looks amazing, and I love it. And always read my books here. I do my videos here sometimes. I enjoy here with family, so I love it. So far, guys, I was just giving you an update of our stove. That's where it is, and I will make sure I keep updating you until we start using this thing. This is an outdoor stove, guys. Let me know, comment below, what do you think we should do, what do you think we did wrong, how do you think, how do you feel, do you have an outdoor stove here yourself? Let me know, guys. So far this is mine and I love it, and we are going to continue constructing it until we finish. Guys, comment below, share the video with your family, with your friends, turn on your notification, guys, and join the membership. We have a membership that, guys, if you feel like you need to support this channel, go ahead and join the membership, and my name is Umoto Lifestyle, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.